problem. I got the chicken disease. So my fucking head, help me. Stop moving.